These recipes can all be made from pantry and frozen food. If you know my channel, you know that I like to use lots of ingredients, but for these recipes, the number of ingredients are minimal. Using fresh ingredients is of course preferable, and if you have them available, feel free to add them. But I wanted to make a video especially for those that don't have access to fresh produce right now. These dishes are not only easy, but they're economical and healthy. Stay tuned to find out how I put them together. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to be notified of all future videos. This recipe, along with our other recipes, are on our website. And of course, all of our recipes are vegan, gluten-free and oil-free. These curry noodles are my answer to a healthier and gluten-free version of instant noodles. They really are that quick. Before we kick off, here is my 2-year-old running through the ingredients. She clearly really wanted to be in the video.
Everything that we got is lime juice, soda, and we got curry powder, so we got mushrooms, and we got tofu, beans.
Thanks, Alia. I'll take it from here. Dried mushrooms can be fantastic, but if you get the wrong type and they overpower the dish, then they can be horrible as well. So make sure you try them out first. And if mushrooms aren't your thing, just leave them out altogether. You can use a combination of frozen corn and frozen cauliflower instead. You'll also need rice noodles, tofu, frozen beans, lime juice, curry powder, palm sugar or regular sugar, salt to taste, and coconut milk. The first thing you need to do is to soak/cook your vermicelli noodles. Pour boiling water over your noodles until they're covered. Place your pot on high heat, then add your water. So that's either plain water or a combination of your mushroom soaking liquid and plain water. The key thing is to taste the mushroom soaking liquid and make sure you enjoy the flavour. If you don't enjoy the flavour there, then you're definitely not going to like it in the soup. Then add your tofu, curry powder, salt, sugar, and half of your lemon juice. Then add your coconut milk and beans and frozen corn or other vegetables if mushrooms are being omitted. Allow your soup to come to the boil. Once the soup has come to the boil, adjust your seasoning by adding more salt and/or lemon juice. Ensure the seasoning is to your liking before the rest of the ingredients go in. Then add your soaked noodles, cook for a couple of minutes, and then you're ready to serve. You'll need gluten-free pasta, and if gluten is not a problem for you, then try whole wheat pasta. You'll need frozen peas, frozen corn, frozen spinach, garlic powder, salt, dried oregano, and balsamic vinegar. First, cook your pasta as per the instructions on the pack. Place your 2 1/4 cups of water in a pot and heat until boiling. Add your corn to the boiling water, frozen peas, spinach, garlic powder, dried oregano, balsamic vinegar, and salt and pepper to taste. Boil for about 5 minutes, then blend until smooth. Adjust your seasoning, so add salt and pepper if required. If the consistency of the sauce is too thick for your liking, add some of the pasta cooking water to thin it out. Drain the pasta and add the sauce. Mix to coat the pasta. Then you're ready to serve. This Middle Eastern inspired tomato rice is simple and delicious. For the recipe, you'll need 1 can of cannellini beans, frozen peas, a can of chopped tomatoes, long grain rice, salt to taste, coriander powder, cumin powder, and garlic powder. Wash your rice and soak for at least 30 minutes. I prefer to cook my rice in my rice cooker, but you can certainly use the absorption method to cook your rice on the stove. Add all of your ingredients except your peas and cook over the stove or place in your rice cooker. With the peas, I don't like them to be overcooked, so I steam for a few minutes separately and then add them at the end. Mix the whole dish gently, then you're ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed these recipes. Remember to make them your own by adding ingredients that you enjoy. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.